प्रोड्यूसर करीम मोरानी के ब्रदर अली मोरानी की बेटी की शादी और रिसेप्शन को हमने किया कवर दिस वीकेंड, जहां न्यूली मैरिड कपल के फेराज भी हुए कैप्चर। साथ ही शादी और इस शादी के बाद हुए रिसेप्शन में आए बॉलीवुड सेलेब्स ने इस इवेंट में 4 चांद लगा दिए। शादी के वक्त हमने यहाँ नीतू चंद्रा, चंकी पांडे और भाग्यश्री को कैप्चर किया। वहीं रिसेप्शन में यहाँ सेलेब्स लाइक ऐश्वर्या विद हबी अभिषेक, रणबीर कपूर, अनुष्का शर्मा, अनिल कपूर, ऋषि कपूर, सोनू सूद, ईशा गुप्ता, गौहर खान, जैकी श्रॉफ, विवेक ओबरॉय को कैप्चर किया। Well, the list doesn't end here. We also captured other celebs like Sachin Joshi, Zayed Khan, Madhur Bhandarkar, David Dhawan, Anupam Kher, cricketer Srishant with wife, Sanjay Kapoor and many others. पर शादी से थोड़ा हटके हमने यहाँ बोमन ईरानी से उनके फेवरेट डायरेक्टर राजू हिरानी की फिल्म पीके पर जाना उनका रिस्पॉन्स, to which he said,
I don't know of anyone apart from the public and the media who has been discussing the collections. Neither is Rajkumar Hirani talking about it, never speaks about it. And I don't think a movie like this deserves that kind of attention. What it deserves is the attention of people who realize that there is a wonderful medium called cinema and a lot can be said through that medium. And I think that is what we should be concentrating on right now. The money and the collections will be remembered and forgotten. The film should never be forgotten.
इसके अलावा यहाँ आई अनुष्का शर्मा से जाना कि इस क्रिसमस उनके क्या प्लान्स हैं।
No plans. I haven't decided anything.
Well, you never know अनुष्का, लास्ट मोमेंट कोई प्लान बन जाए। Getting back to the reception, यहाँ आए सेलेब्स ने न्यूली मैरिड कपल को दिए अपने गुड विशेस।
Lovely, pious month. सबकी शादी हो रही है, अच्छा ही महीना है। Blessings always. खाली ये एक बार शादी कर लिया तो अपने माता पिता को देखो और उनकी तरह लंबा रहो, लंबा इनिंग।
Well, I wish Shireen all the best. She's been my childhood friend. It's a long journey from then, and she's married a wonderful guy called Udair. Very happy for the Morani families. They're my family, and I wish them all the best.
Well, of course, we all have been very close to the Moranis, and because they've, I think one of my first few shows have been with them, so it is. And I have to be here, and my sister knows the groom really well, so she was invited separately. So it's good to be here, and heartiest congratulations to the Morani families, and just wish them all the success.
Very close relations, so obviously I'd wish them the best. And I understand it's such a beautiful feeling to just dream about a good wedding, and they've had a grand wedding, so all the best.
Shireen is a wonderful friend. really sweet human being, and मैं आज बहुत खुश हूँ कि उसे इतनी बड़ी खुशी मिल रही है ज़िंदगी में। She's a lovely girl and she deserves the best.
They're very close to me, and I'm really glad they have a family wedding, and I wish them all the success and all the love and lots of happiness.
Moranis and I go back a long way, and Shireen is like a sister, and they're all like brothers to me. We've done a lot of work together all over the world. So I wish them my heartiest congratulations, and she deserves all the happiness in the world.
All the best to the couple. Have a super married life as good as mine.
All in all, with the big celebs present here, the reception was a star-studded event. For Abhishek Singh and Hardik Tanna, Zoom Mumbai.